Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2019 Chevrolet Colorado with some great exterior features that include a backup camera and 16-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got gray cloth interior. We also have power locks and windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our cruise control. This Colorado has 37,000 kilometers. Over on your touch screen we have our AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have a backup camera. Right below that we have our climate controls. Down at the bottom here we've got this button which provides a light over your exterior box and a couple outlets at the bottom. The rear seats come with more gray cloth interior. There is also an outlet on the back of the center console and this storage cubby. These seat bottoms do fold up, giving us access to our under-seat storage tray, and the seat backs fold down as well. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2019 Chevrolet Colorado with some great features that include gray and black interior and storage compartments under the rear seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.